welcome back to my channel. Today we have a summer look. We've been outside. I've been getting inspo to create another look for you guys. And how are y'all? Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new. And we're going to start off with this look with a little bit of different type of method that I normally start off with a video. I'm going to be priming. So I like to use 2 primers in the summertime by one brand called Cosmetics. I like to use a putty primer first because I love the way it looks underneath my foundation by itself. But I also go to another step with the putty primer. I take the hydrating primer from e.l.f. as well, and I like to apply it to the areas where I know I really am dry the most so that my skin looks great. Off camera, I am going to do my brows. 1, 2, 3. Boom. And now I'm going to be going in with the Profusion Cosmetics Spectrum palette. I love this palette for summertime, you guys. This is a great versatile palette. You can come up with any type of look with this palette. It's so gorgeous. I'm going to be taking the blue eyeshadow from the palette. I'm going to be applying it to the crease. This is a nice soft blue, but it's really intense. Even in person, you guys, this blue is so intense, you guys. I love how it looks on women of color skin. Like, I really barely wear a blue like this, and in a crease color. Even if I'm going for a pop of color, I'm never wearing light blue like this at all. Then once I got the blue blended into the crease, with the little bright palette, you guys, I'm so obsessed with this palette. Right now, it's $5 on my website, you guys. Go get it. It's so pigmented. You have your metallics. You have every shade you can possibly think of. And this blue on top of the blue from the Spectrum palette created this nice teal color. When I said, okay, because this blue from my palette is the most compliment blue ever. It's definitely great for every skin complexion. You guys, fair skin tones, deeper skin tones, it looks the bomb. My favorite part of eyeshadow looks, I love cutting the crease, you guys. The concealer from LA Colors is the go-to concealer for me. I've been obsessed with it ever since it came out, and for the past 2 years. This is the only concealer that I use to cut the crease and carve out my brows whenever I'm doing my brows. You guys, this is definitely a great concealer. The shade Deep is the perfect skin tone. The perfect complexion for dark skin tones. I am so obsessed with this. Like, look how great it looks cutting the crease. And when you blend it out and set it with powder, oh my gosh. The powder that I did use to set the concealer is from Morphe. The Morphe banana powder is definitely everything. You guys should get your hands on it. It's definitely great. Look how smooth it smooths out everything. So I'm going to go in with the brown for my palette. I'm going to say this brown is definitely the brown for crease color and also all of the lids. So it's very versatile and it's great. And it is usable in every step of the way. Like, you can just go back and forth. And I'm going to pack it in the first half of the outer V. Once I went in with the brown, I'm going to go in an orange shade that is from my palette. I'm going to apply it next to the brown. after I did that, I applied my yellow shade from my palette, and I applied it next to the orange in the inner corner. I have gotten used to having a pop of color, not like a shimmer eyeshadow, but just a pop of color in the inner corner to make it stand out. And I went in with the Hayden eyeliner in Hot Pink, and I applied it to the upper lash line for eyeliner to bring out some more colors. And I also went in with my lashes in Glam. Glam is like a gorgeous pop of, it's that lash that's so extra that makes even a natural look dramatic. So I'm going to take Glam and apply it to the lashes once I get finished applying the pink eyeliner.